Hello, parents. My name is Doug Boonstra. I am the teacher for your son or daughter in either general physics or chemistry. I'm teaching both this term. And I just wanted to say hello and introduce myself briefly and let you know that on Tuesday there's a open house. And as I say in the email that this is attached to, I will not be here for the open house. I also coach soccer here, a JV soccer coach, and we have an away game up in Buffalo, so I'll be getting back right around the time the open house ends. So I will not be able to do a Zoom call with you, but I will attach a video. I will send that out on Tuesday morning, sometime Tuesday. But anyways, just a little bit about myself. I've been teaching in Eden Prairie, my only district I've taught in. This is my 33rd, 34th year, something like that. So the only district I've been in. I'm a 1982 graduate of Burnsville High School, and I usually share with my students that sometimes they think I'm really old, and I say, well, I'm pretty much right around the same age as your parents, give or take a few years. And I say that because I have kids, one out of college, one a senior year in college, and one freshman in high school. So I kind of probably maybe a little bit older than some, maybe a little younger than some, depending on if your son or daughter is your youngest or your oldest in your family. But anyways, so I'm happy to be here. It's fun. I enjoy working with the kids. It is a little weird this year, and it's a little bit clunky in getting, I don't know if that's the right word, clunky in getting the technology piece nailed down. But we'll talk a little bit more of that on Tuesday, how we're going to deliver the content and how we're going to do labs and that kind of stuff. So, but as I mentioned, I coach soccer here. I also coach a Nordic ski team here in the winter. And I briefly mentioned I have 3 kids. I have a son who graduated from the U of M. He's a salesperson out of Toronto, even though he's been stranded in the United States since Easter, when he came home for Easter and they closed the border on him. I have a daughter who's in her senior year last semester at the King's College in Manhattan, New York City. And then I have a freshman son in the Chaska School District at Chaska High School. My wife and I live in Chaska, and I'm a pretty active person. I like outdoor stuff. I like hunting and fishing and biking, skiing, running, stuff like that. So I'll probably draw a lot of examples, especially in the physics course, to a lot of athletic things pertaining to physics. And so anyways, that's just briefly about myself. I'll have a little bit longer video for open house if you wish to watch that, and more specific on how we're going to deliver content and stuff like that for both physics and chemistry. So good to chat with you, and feel free to reach out to me by email if there's anything specific you would like me to know about your son or daughter. Thank you.